Welcome everybody to Cooking with Poppy.
Today my granddaughters Guinevere and Arwen will be helping me make a delicious bowl of cheeseburger soup. These are some of the fresh vegetables that we will be using in this soup today. Be sure to leave us a comment and let us know what you think of this recipe. And most importantly,
like and subscribe.
Let's get started on peeling some of these vegetables, shall we? Let's start by peeling 2 pounds of potatoes. And 2 medium-sized carrots. Let's also peel 2 stalks of
celery.
Chop your potatoes into bite-sized pieces for your soup. Dice up 1 small yellow onion. We're going to cut off the top of the onion, leave the root. Chop the celery in fairly small pieces. Chop up 2 green onions to use as a garnish. Finely dice 1 large clove of garlic. Grate 2 medium-sized carrots. Next, I'm going to dice 3 strips of bacon.
We love bacon.
So do I, girls. Add your bacon to a
hot pan.
We're going to cook the bacon until it's nice and crispy and use it as a garnish. Then we're going to cook our beef in the bacon fat for even another layer of flavor. Now I'm going to put my bacon on a paper towel to drain. Add a 1/4 cup of
sausage.
And 1 pound of ground
beef
into that bacon fat. Now I'm just going to use my meat chopper. Once it's completely cooked, I'm going to take the ground beef out of the pan and let it drain. I saved about 2 tablespoons of the bacon hamburger sausage grease and added 2 tablespoons of
butter
to saute my vegetables in. Add the onion. And now we are going to add 1 teaspoon each of basil,
red pepper flakes,
parsley, and oregano. Stir this all together. Add our carrots and
celery.
I'm going to cook this 3 or 4 minutes until my onions become translucent. Then I'm going to add that clove of garlic. After adding the garlic, I'm going to cook it for another 2 minutes. Next, add 3 tablespoons of flour. This will act as a thickening agent for our soup. Make sure you get it all stirred in and cook for another 3 minutes. You don't want raw flour flavor in your soup. Add 3 cups of beef broth, our meat mixture, add our potatoes, add 2 tablespoons of your favorite mustard. I'm using stone ground mustard. And 3 tablespoons of Who's Your Sister sauce. No, that's not right. What do you call it, girls?
Worcestershire.
Yeah, that sounds right. This will bring a real savoriness to your soup. Now bring everything up to a boil and cook until your potatoes are soft. Should be about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on how small you cut your potatoes. When you can easily pierce the potatoes with a fork, turn your heat off and start adding 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. It usually melts a little bit better. Add a little bit of
cheese.
And all you have to do is just
fold it in.
Once your cheese is added in and your soup is no longer boiling, add 1 cup of milk. Once you get everything stirred together, it's time for lunch. Let's garnish this bowl of soup with some crispy bacon, some green onion, and just a little more cheese because, well, cheese. And now it's time to use the most important utensil in your kitchen, the
tasting spoon.
We hope you enjoyed our video today, and as always,
thanks for coming, everybody.
Oh yeah, that's delicious. I'm going to have a bowl of this for lunch.